Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by closing Qbittorrent. Force close via Task Manager if needed. You must stop all transfers first. Once done, open Windows Settings, go to Apps and Features, and type Qbittorrent into the search box. Make sure you are signed in with an administrator account because uninstalling system applications needs elevation. Also, note where your configuration and save folders are located because you may want to keep or remove them later. Now, click the App entry to reveal the Uninstall button and prepare to run it. You click Uninstall and follow the Qbittorrent wizard. Respond to prompts about removing shortcuts and settings. If you want a full clean, select the option to remove user settings. That wipes config files and preferences. Make sure the uninstaller finishes. Do not interrupt it. Once the process ends, open File Explorer and manually delete leftover folders. For example, %appdata %\qbittorrent and the program installation folder in program files. Also, check downloads or torrents folders and remove. You finish by restarting Windows. A reboot clears file locks and completes removal. After restart, verify the Qbittorrent folder and %appdata entries are gone. If you kept settings, they'll remain. If the uninstaller failed or left traces, use Control Panel programs and features to attempt uninstall, or run a reputable third-party uninstaller to remove stubborn files and registry entries. If that still fails, boot to safe mode and repeat the uninstall. This bypasses services that may.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.